Hey guys, beautiful day. Pasensya na sa hair ko. Medyo lampaso pa siya tignan kasi hindi ko pa naayos. It's so smooth and manageable din siya as well because I think mga ilang buwan ko na rin itong ginagamit ng mga products sa hair ko and consistent ko siyang ginagamit. Hindi ko siya minix with other brands and I think now I can say na eto na talaga yung shampoo na hiyang ako. I have 4 products right here from Bremod Professional and it is not the first time that I've shared this one. So first, gamit ko itong dalawa which is the Keratin Complex Treatment Hair Shampoo and Conditioner. As you can see, mas marami ang shampoo kasi bagong bukas lang to at eto naman is yung tira ng conditioner. It's not all the time na gagamitin mo yung dalawang products in one go. Sometimes conditioner ka lang sa araw na to and sometimes then you will use the shampoo more for your hair, especially pag oily yung hair or oily yung scalp and medyo pinawisan ka. So, mas gamit mo yung shampoo talaga. But on days na gusto mo lang soft and manageable yung hair mo and shiny as well, you use this one, the Keratin Conditioner. And after these 2 products, when I style my hair or gusto ko shiny yung hair ko, before ko siya i-plansya, before ko siya ikulot or whatever, I use this one. As you can see, gamit na gamit ko siya. This one is the Bremod Performance Moroccan Argan Oil Intense Moisturizing Treatment. And dahil hindi pa ako kontento, nagdagdag pa ako ng products from Bremod. I want to try something else from their hair care line kasi ako madalas din akong the dry scalp or sometimes dandruff, and I figured hindi dapat anti-dandruff shampoo palagi kasi sometimes yung scalp natin kulang din siya sa nutrients. So yung logic ko is bibili ako ng product that can help retain the moisture and give some nutrients sa aking scalp para hindi na siya ma-dry, para hindi na siya maging dry or magka-dandruff. Then I purchased another product from Bremod as well. This is the Intense Cacao Butter and Camellia Seed Oil Treatment. There are 4 variants with this hair mask from Bremod, but I specifically use and choose this one, the Intense Cacao Butter and Camellia Seed Oil Treatment, because this one aims to maintain moisture. It says here, replenish the nutrients and prevent dryness of the hair mask. And totoo naman guys, sa ilang weeks kong gamit siya, nawala yung dandruff ko. And moisturized talaga yung scalp ko. Unlike the previous months na hindi ko pa to in-add on sa routine ko. Actually, okay na nga siya with these 2 products. Pero mas nakitaan ko na iba pa rin pag mag-hair mask ka. Just at least once a week or twice a week, okay na okay. And guys, dahil parang hindi convenient pag dudukutin palagi yung product tapos ilalagay sa hair. Kasi ito yung mga ganitong packaging. Ito kasi yung ginagamit sa salons. So, mas sanay silang magkuha ng maramihan tapos ginaganyan, dinudukot. Well, I don't know with you guys kung sanay ba kayo sa ganon. Now, nilipat ko siya sa empty na Bremod treatment, complex treatment, na empty na. So, nilipat ko siya dito. So, ang color pala ng product is parang light blue. So, it's much easier for me to dispense the product kasi pump type na siya. Yun din yung nagustuhan ko with this packaging from Bremod kasi it's so clean tignan, tapos neutral colors lang siya. Pwede mo siyang gamitin to refill with other products. Diba the usual hair care routine is shampoo, rinse, then conditioner, then let it stay for a while, then rinse again, dry your hair, then mag-oil ka or serum, hair oil or serum. When using hair mask, what I do is nagsha-shampoo ako ng hair ko, then I rinse, then I apply the hair mask, then I leave the product for at least 3 to 5 minutes. Tapos, yan, galaw-galaw, gawa-gawa ng ibang bagay. And then, after that, I rinse this one. And hindi ko na hini-hair dryer yung hair ko or nilalagyan ng serum because I feel that with this one palang nourish na ang hair ko. But okay lang din kung magdagdag pa nito. And then, ito na, yung effect ng hair ko after. Manageable, air dry lang. Ayan. But, to make it look nicer pa, ninaplansya ko. Siyempre, kasi, ayan, medyo wavy yung hair ko. At minsan, hindi bagay sa suot ko yung shape ng hair ko. From the Orange Shop. Pero, ililink ko here on TikTok kasi meron ding legit na online shop na selling Bremod products. So, eto siya guys. Merong serum, hair serum. So, ito try ko yan. Tapos, i-review ko rin. Share ko rin dito. Sorry kung medyo putol-putol ang video kasi labas-pasok yung kids. Tapos, yung husband ko sa room. Tapos, putol-putol din yung pagsasalita ko. Yun guys. This products must try. This one, recent favorite ko from Bremod. Try. Maybe in the future, I will try the other variants as well. And guys, ang mura niya. Talaga. Ayun. So, alam nyo na. You know the drill. Check in the yellow basket. Bye.